All right, guys. In this video, I want to show you how you can change the image of your picture. As you can see, this image that is here now, this image that is being displayed. How you can change the image in your Avatarify, and how you can also upload image in your Avatarify. All right. To do that, all you need to do is to go to your system, go to my system, I'll go to my PC, open my. Let me go back. Open my hard drive, then come to user, come to my system, then you come to Avatarify Python YouTube. All right, then you see avatars. Let me go back again and show you how I did it. So come to your PC, you can see your hard drive here, open it, then come to your user, you see your user here, open your user, come to your username, this is my username, then come to Avatarify Python YouTube. All right, so you now come to avatar. Once you come to avatar, can you see all the images? This image that is showing here, this is the image. Where is it? All right, this image, you can see this image that is showing on this image you are seeing here. Can you see this image? Now, if you want to change it, all you need to do is to get an image. You can see it now. This is the image. Get an image that has the same size and rename it like this. Example, let me show you. For if I go to my system now and go to browser, just say good. I'll just say good. Let me just say fine. Okay, can say fine man or fine white man. I don't want to use anybody's name now. Just say fine white man or man. Let me just come here. All right, can you see pictures? All right, let's say I want to use this now. For example, can you see the picture? So what I will do is to save this picture. I'll just download it to my system. You can see save it. All right, okay, I will save. All right, the picture is in my system now. Now let me open a new. So I'll come to my download. All right, this is the picture. Now remember is it JPEG? All right, it's JPG. The picture is in JPG. So what I will do is same thing. I will come here. Remember the name of this picture is AA. Can you see it now? Is AA. Can you see it now? The picture name is AA. So I will also come to my own and rename it as what? Click on it and rename it as, is this? Okay, I will rename it as what? AA. Finish. Now press enter. Okay. But then if you look at the size, of what we have here, let me view it. Let me view the picture. Can you see the size? All right. So now all I will do is I will copy this picture. Then come to my other one. I will delete this. And I will paste that one I have. Can you see there? Then I will refresh. Okay, I will replace it. Then let me go back and see. Okay, so once that is done, I will relaunch my Avatarify again. Let me close this and launch it again. All right, let me close it and launch it again. So now once I want to launch, I'll just open my system again, come to Anaconda, click on open, then come to my copy the first code. All right, then I'll paste, Ctrl V, press enter, come to the second code again, copy the second code, then I'll paste it. Okay, I'll press enter. All right, now let's see how it will load and see the picture that is going to give us. Okay, so that is how you change the picture of your Avatarify. Okay, so for those of you who don't know how to install it and those of you that are looking for the software, my number is always on the description. Just chat me up and I will give you access. I'll give you access to the software. All right, can you see it now? So let me click on it and set up my. Okay, okay. I'll set it up. Okay, let me just make sure my head is good. Then I'll press. Okay, can you see it now? Can you see the picture? Can you see the way the picture is now? Can you see the picture that is showing? All right, that is how you change the picture on your Avatarify. All right, can you see the picture is moving and everything is working perfectly? So that is how you change the picture in your Avatarify. Thank you guys for staying to this particular video. Hope you got value for it. If you are there, you are looking for how to set up your Avatarify, you don't have the right software, just reach out to me and I will give you access to the software. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.